Well, you might recognize this from a few months ago. The Artemis marking NASA's return to space with their eyes set on the moon and eventually Mars. This is the Artemis 1 launch from November, kicking off that historic program.
Last night, we showed you how Collins Aerospace built the steering system for the rocket's launch, but the Screw City is doing so much more.
Our William Ingalls takes us to Ingersoll Machine Tools, who is responsible for making sure the astronauts are safe and secure for their journeys to the final frontier.
Here at Ingersoll, it's the manufacturing, the machining professionals that built our crew module structure. But behind me, you see the barrel that forms the backbone of the structure of the crew module.
Key pieces built right here in Rockford, withstanding temperatures up to 5,000 degrees and bringing our astronauts safely back to Earth.
Splashdown.
It's a task that's hard to wrap your head around, but that's the kind of stuff Ingersoll specializes in.
We have other builders, but they don't build machines of the size and scope that we do here at Ingersoll. We build machines and we machine components. We do it in Rockford.
Bigger and better is a reputation that extends far outside the state line for Ingersoll, with NASA considering the workers here the go-to people to get the job done.
Ingersoll has been our go-to manufacturer for the critical parts of that crew module. Pressure vessel, and we can't start building until we get these parts. It's really the start of our pulling the spacecraft together.
Artemis 1 is only the first step in a program that looks to lead the way in space exploration for the next 40 years. But back here on Earth, Armstrong hopes their work now inspires the next generation of builders to carry on the Screw City's legacy.
Space is not something that just happens so far away of a launch that occurs in Florida or a launch that occurs in Houston or California. Space is something that happens here in Illinois. And we should absolutely, in our schools and with the young people, get them interested in manufacturing. Not only from the engineering aspect, from the aspect of building these machines, servicing the machines, and supporting these machines.
Celebrating a triumphant return to space and working hard to make the next big discovery in human history. In Rockford for 13 WREX, I'm William Ingalls.
Exciting stuff happening in Rockford right now. The Artemis 2 mission will put 4 astronauts on board for a mission which will make history in sending humans up to the moon for the first time in decades.
Very cool there.